Welcome back participants. So let's explore this interface. Here we have already named the sheet which we are going to prepare. Here you can see these horizontal rows and vertical columns. On the left side you can see these numbers written here indicating this row 1, row 2, row 3 and so on. And vertically you can see these alphabets like column A, column B, column C and so on. And the menus like File, Edit, View, Insert, this Format, Data, Tools, Add-ons, Help. In these menus, you have various options like your Microsoft Excel worksheet. In File, you can see New, Open, Import, Make a copy. You can download your file in these given formats. Or you can rename your file from here. Or in Edit, you can find these buttons undo, redo, cut, copy, paste. So you can use these options as per your requirement. And these options are almost similar as your Microsoft Excel. So that's why we'll not discuss all these in detail. Here one interesting feature, that is add-on. You can get various add-ons from Google Suite Marketplace and you can make your task easier by using these add-ons. Okay, this is the toolbar where you can find various tools. You can see these tools, and these tools are used for frequently used tasks. And this you will find similar as in Microsoft Excel. So now we will see how we can prepare a result sheet on this Google Sheets. So I can show you this sheet already writing names and marks in various subjects which I have specifically prepared for this purpose. So these are the names of students, and here you can find the marks got by these students in different subjects. We can apply various functions on this given data, and let's start exploring these functions one by one. To start any function, we always begin it with equal sign. Then write name of the function. While you start writing the function, you type S and simultaneously you will get the list of all the functions starting with S appearing downward. You can select from here or you can type. Start. You can type, start with bracket. Now choose the range where you want to apply this particular function. So I want the sum of these three cells. Automatically it will write the cell address here. Now close the bracket. This is sometimes this will intelligently suggest you to select these cells or you can select the range yourself. Now enter, you will get the required result here. So you will find that Excel automatically do all these calculations here. Now simply drag the function for other students also. And you can see that Excel automatically add for other students also. For finding the average, now again put equal sign, write average, select the range, close the bracket, and it will give you the average. Now drag it and you can see the average of marks of all the students. So if you want to see the highest total marks, for that again write average, max. Now select the range, close the bracket. 243 are the highest marks out of these. And for minimum marks, again equal min this and select the range, close the bracket. 163 are the minimum marks. And if you want to filter out some data from your whole data, then you can use filter option here. What you have to do is simply select your entire data. So now click on this filter view option and click on create new filter view. Now, as soon as you do this, you can see these filters in front of every column. Now, suppose, just take an example. Suppose I want to see the students got 33 marks in science. So, I'll click only on the filter sign of science. Now, as I want only 33, so I'll keep 33 with tick mark and others I'll leave. I'll select only 33 and others I will leave. So whatever the option you want, you will select it accordingly. Then, okay. So Neha is the only student who has got 33 marks in science. So you will see it will show now only the record of students of only those students who got 33 marks. In this way, you can apply this filter to see the result of a particular student and in a particular subject. So, I hope you will explore all these options and will be benefited by this. And major benefit of using Google Sheets is that work is always saved on auto saved mode, and you can share your sheet with your colleagues for some collaborative tasks also.